Here are 5 lead generation traps that I promised I would teach and share with you. Can you imagine if you knew this information 3 months ago? What would your business look like next week if you knew this 3 months ago? Well, stay with me because you're going to learn more, because you got to avoid the mistakes. And these are called traps. Now, all of them deal with your mind. Now, if you're in the West, if you're a Western culture like me, this is where the mind is. If you're in the East, where we have many people from Asia and the Far East, India, they say, here's the mind, right? So wherever your mind is, I kind of like this one, right? My heart is my mind. You need to get rid of these mindsets. So here's mindset number 1, trap number 1. JVs are the best lead source. JVs are the best lead source. Now, JVs are a fast and effective lead source, but I don't believe they're the best. Now, it doesn't matter if you have $1 million or $2 million launch. Then what? What happens? Then you support other JV partners who supported you, and then your leads start to get diluted. It's a common problem. Unless you have an evergreen automated lead source, JVs can hurt you in the future if you don't have leads coming in outside of your JV partners. Okay, believe me, this has happened to me before, and I know what it's like, and it's terrible. And it doesn't serve your list to only do JVs, because that is one lead source. It's very fast, and you can elevate and magnify the amount of impact you have in your market. But I don't think it's the best because it is not evergreen. Number 2, trap number 2 is there's no time to focus on getting leads. I have my business. I got to fulfill. I got to coach, consult. I got to do finances. I got to keep the books for my client. I'm a bookkeeper, CPA. It's tax season. I got to get in and do my client's taxes. Or I'm a chiropractor. I got to go in for adjustments. Or I'm a dentist. I got to look into mouths every single day, right? I'm a network marketer. I got to go prospect. Okay, who has time for generating leads? Well, if you don't have time to breathe, you will die. If you don't have time to get leads, your business would die. Okay, are we crystal clear? Next. Trap number 3, mindset trap. Once again, it's a mindset shift you got to make. All leads can be converted. Wrong. Not all leads can be converted. Some leads are dead leads. They have absolutely no interest. Alex, give me an example. All right. You are running a business called Omaha Steaks. Now, Omaha Steaks in the US will deliver steaks via mail order. Very successful company, has made millions, hundreds of millions of dollars, maybe over $1 billion since they've been in business. But Omaha Steaks will not be able to convert a lead from someone who is a vegan or a vegetarian or is into macrobiotic diets or only juice diets, which I can't imagine, but there are people like that. So Omaha Steaks needs meat eaters. So if you have leads that don't eat meat, they can't be converted. Trap number 4, again, a mindset trap. Great content attracts the best leads. This is the trap of most authors. God, I can't believe how much importance an author puts in their work. They spend about 3 years on a book. They go to a publisher, sometimes 10 years on a book. And then after the publisher fails to sell it, they're only getting about 10% of the sale in royalty because they don't know how to sell. They don't know how to create leads unless you're self-published and you do this for a living. And then you have 2,000-3,000 books that you pre-purchased to give away in your garage or in your basement. Sound familiar? Now, I'm exaggerating, but authors, info marketers, some service professionals, they're so proud of their work or their content that they don't know the importance of the context of generating automated evergreen leads. Trap number 5, the mindset is, I need sales skills to get leads. No, you don't. You just need to be smart. Look, smart people will learn from their own mistakes and will correct and continue. Wise people and marketers will learn from smart people so they don't have to make the same mistakes. I want you to be more wise than just smart. So you don't need sales skills to get leads. You don't even need sales skills to convert those leads if you have the right funnel and you follow the type of training I've taught you over the years in sales conversion. But this is before sales conversion. This is when the leads come in. If you ask a salesperson, what's the single most important thing in your business? They'll say leads. If you ask a coach, what's your weakest link in your business? Or a consultant, they'll say leads. If you ask a great JV marketer, what's the single most frustrating thing that you have? They say leads for more JVs. It's always leads, leads, leads. A network marketer, I don't care how much money you make. What's your number one challenge? Leads. Am I making my point? So here's the key point. Lead generation is the lifeblood of business. Any business, your business, my business, any business. Because without leads, there's nothing to convert. There's nothing to do. There's nothing to work in. You are on life support. Okay, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just telling you the truth. Nothing is as persuasive as the truth. Hey, it's Alex again, and thanks for watching this video. Now make sure to get that very special gift I promised you. I want you to grab your mobile phone and text the keyword you see on your screen, and text it to this phone number, 415-980-3555, and make sure you stick around for another video coming up.